Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
We're taking a live look at Yreka. Very smoky right now, but there is to the south of Yreka a shower that has popped up. We have a few isolated showers and storms in the region. Right now, air quality sitting at very unhealthy in the Yreka area. There's a look at that shower that has just popped up. Hasn't produced any lightning just yet, but we'll keep an eye on these cells that have popped up in Siskiyou County. There was a little thunderstorm to the east of Mount Hebron. And then further off to the north, we did have a thunderstorm along Highway 140. That has fizzled out, but winds have picked up in the Klamath Falls area. Bit of a gust front from that storm collapsing. And then up towards Christmas Valley, north of Summer Lake, another cluster of thunderstorms producing some heavier downpours as well as quite a bit of lightning, and gusty winds will be a potential as well. Maybe even some small hail under some of the cores of these storms. Now, taking a look at the broader picture, most of the action east of the Cascades and in Northern California, it's very isolated as expected, but tomorrow I do expect more in the way of shower and thunderstorm development along and east of the Cascades and in Northern California. We could even see a thunderstorm in the Rogue Valley as well late in the day. Current temperatures 87 in Klamath Falls and Lakeview. It's 94 in Montague. We're at 90 in Medford, 88 degrees in Grants Pass, and it's currently 63 in Brookings. Breezes picking up in our inland valleys and over on the east side as well. Some of those winds picking up are due to thunderstorms in the area. We do have some very poor air quality for parts of southern Oregon and Northern California. We've had improvements in the Medford area, but look to the south, very unhealthy right now in Yreka. A hazardous air quality currently in Happy Camp, and it's unhealthy from Klamath Falls up through Chiloquin and Crater Lake this hour. Here's a look at your near surface smoke forecast. It does stay fairly smoky across much of the region as we head overnight. Some of the worst air quality will be in portions of Siskiyou County. As we go throughout the day tomorrow, expect smoke to return to Jackson and Josephine counties. Some improvements through the day on the east side though, but likely that won't last, and we'll see some more smoke at times as we head through the rest of this weekend and into early next week. Some smoke will start to drift in as well from Canadian fires to the north, especially as we head towards Sunday and Monday. Tonight, in the meantime, though, any isolated showers and storms will fizzle on out. Pretty mild temperatures tonight, but not as warm as what we saw last night in the Rogue Valley. We saw lows in the mid 70s. And then tomorrow, temperatures uptick a bit for our west side valleys, mid to upper 90s, up to 99 in Medford, 88 in Klamath Falls. We'll be contending with smoke, but also the threat for thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon and evening. Best chances on the east side, Northern California, and along the Cascades and Siskiyous. But even Medford into parts of Josephine County, we could see a thunderstorm. Stormcast showing things kind of winding down as we head into tonight. Tomorrow in the afternoon, thunderstorms blossoming through Klamath, Lake, and Siskiyou counties, and some of this activity could push into the west side as we head into the early evening hours of tomorrow. And then here's some of that moisture from what's left of Hurricane Hilary, the remnants of Hilary. We'll have to kind of fine tune the details on exactly where some of this rain and shower and thunderstorm activity sets up, but we will at least see a cool down across the region into early next week and some increased cloud cover as well. Your 7-day forecast for the coast, look for some winds to really pick up as we head through the weekend into the start of next week. Northern California, the chances for showers and storms continuing this weekend into early next week thanks to the remnants of Hilary. Looks pretty quiet by later next week. The Klamath Basin, increased clouds by Sunday into Monday. Rain and thunderstorms looking likely into the start of next week. Highs only in the 70s. For the mountains, will also be under the threat for showers and thunderstorms this weekend into early next week. Temperatures looking to warm back up as we head later in the week by Thursday. And then in the Rogue Valley, at this point, just slight chances for showers and storms through the weekend into early next week. We'll have to see how much moisture from Hilary makes it onto the west side, but we'll at least see that cool down in temperatures with highs in the mid 80s on Tuesday.